Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement AC Compressor. This AC compressor works specifically on the Honda Accord from 2003 to 2007 when equipped with the 2.4 liter engine. What your AC compressor does is it pressurizes or compresses the AC refrigerant, allowing it to circulate and change temperature when pushed through the condenser. And over time, these compressors are known to go bad, creating strange or weird noises when turned on due to the pulley not engaging properly, or there could be leaks coming from the AC compressor itself. While this replacement AC compressor is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as it was designed to be a direct replacement, thanks to the factory mounting locations and the OEM electrical connector. However, this does have a redesigned clutch bearing for enhanced durability. Installation of this AC compressor might be something you could be able to do yourself should you have the right tools. However, keep in mind the refrigerants that are in an AC system are hazardous. So if your AC system is previously charged before replacing, do not work on your system without properly discharging it. Therefore, consider having this installed by a trained mechanic. If you have any questions about this replacement AC compressor, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.